Going on vacation or stepping away from work? You can set up an automatic reply in Gmail so people know you're unavailable and when to expect a response. This feature is called Vacation Responder, and it automatically sends a custom reply to incoming emails during your selected dates. Here's how to set it up on your iPhone 17. First, open the Gmail app. If you don't have it yet, download it from the App Store and sign in to your account. From your inbox, tap the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. Scroll down and tap Settings, then make sure you select your Gmail account. Under the Compose and Reply section, tap Vacation Responder. Turn on the switch next to Vacation Responder. Once enabled, more options will appear. Tap the Start date, then choose when your auto reply should begin. Tap Save after selecting the date. Next, tap Last Day, then select when the auto reply should end. You can choose a preset date or set a custom one, then tap Save. Enter a subject, then type your auto reply message to let people know you're away. If you only want people in your contacts to receive the reply, turn on Send Only to My Contacts. Otherwise, leave it off to reply to all incoming emails. Once everything is set, tap Save in the top right corner. You'll know it's active when you see a banner at the top of your inbox. Your auto reply will be sent from 12 a.m. on the start date until 11:59 p.m. on the end date. If you want to stop it early, just go back to Vacation Responder settings and turn the switch off. And that's it. If this video helped you set up automatic replies in Gmail, give it a like or check out more tips to stay productive on your iPhone 17. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more quick tech tips.